As of today, March 12, 2025, here are some of the trending topics in the United States and the United Kingdom. United States, South by Southwest Festival highlights. The 2025 South by Southwest Festival in Austin has garnered attention for its focus on the evolving entertainment industry. Discussions centered on the rise of AI in entertainment, the changing landscape of podcasting with platforms like YouTube entering the space, and the shifting dynamics of Hollywood productions moving away from Los Angeles to more cost-effective locations. Music industry trends. The music industry is experiencing a shift where older songs are resurfacing as hits. For instance, Lola Young's Messy and Chappell Roan's Pink Pony Club, both released years ago, have recently reached #1 positions. This trend underscores the impact of streaming platforms and social media in redefining how songs gain popularity over time. United Kingdom, affordable skincare tools. There's a buzz around Superdrug's £3 dermaplaning tool, popularized by influencer Molly May Hay. Dermaplaning, which involves removing dead skin cells and peach fuzz, has become a sought-after beauty treatment, and this affordable tool offers a budget-friendly option for achieving smoother skin. The cup bob hairstyle. The cup bob is emerging as a trendy hairstyle this season. Characterized by an ultra-precise cut that curves inward to frame the jawline, this style offers a polished and contemporary look that's both elegant and low maintenance.